Why do many nations face endless debt and dependence on the IMF? Struggling economies and rising inflation beyond IMF by Dr. Hussain, Tahir-ul-Qadri answers this pressing question. It reveals the hidden cycle of debt caused by international loans. It offers a powerful alternative ground in Islamic economics, emergence of Muslim Common Waqf as an alternative for Muslim countries. This approach promotes justice, fairness, and sustainability in economies. Plus, it provides policy-based solutions for true economic independence. Beyond IMF is not just a book, it's a blueprint for freedom. Get your copy today and join the movement for economic sovereignty. Order now. www.minhaj.biz. Contact Minhaj-ul-Quran Publications. WhatsApp 009232243844066.